Are you guys getting excited? Because I am. For today's review, we got DEERC's famous RC truck, and let me tell you, this thing books. So we're going to a new location, that's right, a new location for you guys to film this video. So come along with me on this review of DEERC's super awesome RC truck. Yeah! Hello everyone, today we're showing you guys the DEERC. Now I've already opened this up, I've already tested this out, so I'm kind of doing my review backwards. I thought, hey, let's try doing it a little backwards from, testing it out, using my own experience, and then showing you guys what you get. And as we unbox everything, I am so happy to say that this was extremely fun. Like, I was very, very impressed with this. It is tons of fun for teenagers, adults. You get 2 batteries, and I love that they display, the power that's on them. So the charged, that's awesome. 2 batteries. This is what it looks like, and it is so cool. We've showed you guys it, or we're about to show you guys it. Definitely love it. Really nice. Underbody's got underbody lights. Totally fun, as you guys probably already saw a little clip or about to see. Because that's what most people I've come. So all of my feedback has been based off of people. They kind of know what, the RC looks like. So they kind of want to see what it looks like, but then go right to the performance. A lot of people don't really care too much about the accessories. So we just wanted to give you guys a new perspective. I highly recommend this, guys, 100%. You guys can see, let's shake off some of the dirt we got in here. We're going to have to do a little vacuuming, but 100% worth it. So on the remote, you got your steering trim, your drive trim, your throttle, you got your lights, you got steering, throttle. This is the RC itself, which is really aggressive looking. I love this. This looks really nice. Here we can take a look at the lights. Really cool in the front. You got underbody lights as well. And you can change the colors on them, which is so cool. Same with the front, you can change the color. Really nice. And when the battery's getting low, the front will blink.